Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Today I'm going to start my first chapter of class 10 IT, book code 402, chapter 1, types of communication. In the previous class in standard 9 we have studied what is communication. Again I have to recap it. I'm going to recap it for you. Definition: it means being able to tell other people what you want to say, and this can be done in many ways. As we know that communication is the way by which we can share our emotions, feelings. We can share with our friends with the help of some written form, pictures, logos, photos, etc. So in this chapter we have to go to different topics that are related with types of communication. So here we can see that 4 different types of communication. The first one is the verbal form, second is non-verbal form, third is written form, and fourth one is the visual form. So one by one I'm going to explain you. The first one, verbal form of communication, that means communicating orally. The second one is the non-verbal form, that is using some body language, some tone, etc. Third is written form, that is via handwritten, printed, etc. And the fourth one is the visual form, that is using picture, logos, etc. So these are the topics we have to explain it. In the next video I will explain it. The next one is the pros and cons of various types of communication. The first one is the verbal form. The different pros of verbal form are: it is very straightforward to express the feeling. Second, it is mostly inactive. Third is speedy form of communication. The fourth one is the instant feedback. The next is cons, the negative points, the demerits of the communication, verbal form of communication. The first one is not possible to communicate with people of different setup. Second, it requires proximity. Third, it often feels incomplete to keep records. Fourth, it is not possible to represent things officially. Fifth, it is not complete form of communication. And the sixth, there are emotional barriers. So dear students, इस चैप्टर में फ़िलहाल हम लोग अभी इसी टॉपिक पे डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. सबसे पहले ये टॉपिक को हम लोग एक बार रिकैप करेंगे और इनके बाद एक एक करके सभी को हम लोग समझेंगे.